All right, everybody, welcome to the Progressive Era report card. So you'll see you have a Word document here. I'm not so much worried about the information up here. If you want to put your name and the teacher and things like that, that's fine, but I'm not worried about that. I'm more worried about these three boxes here and these three columns. So you'll notice that you are going to be grading the progressive error on those areas that you saw in the assignment. You get to pick whatever three you want, doesn't matter to me, whichever three you want to choose. Civil rights, conservation, government, finances, child labor, women's suffrage, whatever. Okay, whatever three subjects you choose that you find the most interesting. So you're going to tell me which three you choose in each of these boxes, one, two, three, and then you're going to give me a grade on how progressives did in that area. So if you choose, let's say, child labor, you would give me the letter grade here. So you might say, oh, I give them an A because progressives work to limit child labor and harm to children. They also required children to go to school until a certain age before they could start working. Okay, so that's what you're going to do, just as if you were a teacher giving students a grade in a certain area. Give them a grade and then tell me why you gave the progressives that grade in that area.